Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on gaming mode on Acer Nitro 16. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Nitro app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is head over and then select the mode option. Now here what you need to do is simply select among the options from performance or turbo, and then enable high performance or gaming mode if available, or just find speed to max or auto for better cooling, then click to apply save changes. You can also use Windows game mode by simply going to the settings and then selecting gaming and then game mode and then toggling on the game mode to improve performance while gaming. You can use Nvidia or AMD control panel for GPU optimizations as well, and enable turbo mode for overclocking. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.